Welcome to Consumer Flix, your ultimate guide to smart tech and deals. Helicopter. In today's video, we're unveiling the top 5 budget-friendly drones under $300 in 2025, perfect for capturing stunning shots without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot on a budget, these picks are sure to impress. Let's dive in and find your perfect drone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest reviews and money-saving tips. Number 5. Holy Stone HS720G. The Holy Stone HS720G is a robust and feature-packed drone designed for aerial photography enthusiasts and intermediate pilots. It comes equipped with a 4K UHD camera on a 2-axis gimbal, providing sharp, stable, and vivid footage even during flight. The addition of EIS, electronic image stabilization, further enhances video smoothness for professional quality results. This drone features GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Navigation, and Circle Mode, allowing users to capture creative shots effortlessly. With a flight time of up to 26 minutes per battery and a long transmission range, the HS720G ensures extended exploration and reliable connectivity. Its foldable design and sturdy build make it portable and durable, while advanced safety features like Return to Home, RTH, and low-power alerts offer a worry-free flying experience. Perfect for capturing stunning aerial views, the HS720G is a reliable and versatile drone for hobbyists and creators. Number 4. DJI Mini 2SE. The DJI Mini 2SE is a lightweight, compact drone designed for beginners and casual creators seeking high-quality aerial footage with ease. Weighing under 249 g, it is travel-friendly and complies with regulations in many regions. Equipped with a 2.7K camera on a 3-axis gimbal, the Mini 2SE captures smooth and detailed videos and 12MP photos, perfect for everyday photography. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes and a reliable HD video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, it offers extended exploration and seamless connectivity. The drone features intelligent modes like quickshots and panorama, making creative shooting effortless. Its robust build and user-friendly controls ensure a reliable flying experience, while safety features like auto return to home add peace of mind. Compact yet capable, the DJI Mini 2SE is an excellent entry-level option for capturing stunning aerial moments. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight and portable drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts looking for high-quality aerial photography in a compact package. Weighing under 249 g, it's travel-friendly and easy to operate, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go creators. The drone features a 4K camera with a 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, delivering crisp photos and smooth videos, while electronic image stabilization ensures steady footage. Number 2. RCO U1 Pro. The RCO U1 Pro is a user-friendly drone designed for beginners and hobbyists who want to explore aerial photography with ease. It features a 4K camera that captures detailed photos and smooth videos, supported by electronic image stabilization for enhanced clarity. The drone's GPS-assisted flight capabilities include intelligent modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight, making it simple to capture creative and dynamic shots. Number 1. DJI F7 Mini. The DJI F7 Mini is a compact and portable drone designed for beginners and casual users who want to capture high-quality aerial footage with ease. It features a 4K UHD camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth and stable videos and crisp photos. With GPS-assisted flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Mode, the F7 Mini enables creative shooting with minimal effort. The drone offers a flight time of up to 25 minutes per battery and a reliable transmission range, making it ideal for capturing scenic views and moments on the go. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it easy to carry, while safety features such as Return to Home, RTH, and low battery alerts provide added peace of mind. Combining user-friendly controls with impressive capabilities, the DJI F7 Mini is an excellent choice for travelers and drone enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. Which budget-friendly drone caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and deal hunting tips. See you in the next video.